Viewers, thank you for watching. This is a Herschede 9 tubular bell chime grandfather clock movement with Whittington, Westminster, and Canterbury chimes. It's got a beautiful 24 karat gold plated dial, hand engraved over brass. I think it's over nickel over brass. And this is the movement. Check it out. That's the escapement right there. These are the adjustable tension for the hammers, and this is the strike. So behind the dial, well, this will be your time train. This is your chimes for the music, and the left one is for your strike. Now you're not supposed to touch this with your hands. The only thing you could touch is the minute hand, hour hand, and also the moon dial, and also these knobs, the chime silent and the chime selector lever. So you can see over here, it's got a beautiful engraving, Herschede, made in USA. And this company ran for 99.5 years, I believe, and they shut their doors down. They also made other clocks. They made mantle clocks and wall clocks, but they used other movements like Josh, which is pronounced Joch in German, which is written Jauch. But this was their flagship model, and this would go into the tall case grandfather clocks. So, and these are the weights. You got strike, time, and chimes, and this is their mercury simulated pendulum. It's not real vials of mercury. And then on the bottom of the weights will be labeled chime train, time train, and strike train, which is for, so you can know where to hang the weights. And that's it. That sums it all up. Thank you for watching. Give a like, thumbs up, and share. It really helps. Thank you. So you can see in this picture, this is what the clock looks like when I went to the house. And the cable had snapped, and as you can see, the weights lying there inside the case on the floor. That's a picture of the pulley and the snapped cable. And this is all the oil that was just drooping down there. It needed a service.